In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in TradingView, a powerful tool for traders and investors alike. Whether you're new to TradingView or just looking to make the most of its features, this tutorial will walk you through the seamless process of switching currencies on your charts. So, grab your device and let's get started. First things first, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. TradingView is a widely trusted platform used by professionals worldwide. Once you're on the homepage, you'll want to head over to the chart section. Simply click on Charts, usually found at the top of the navigation bar. This will take you to TradingView's robust charting interface, which is packed with a multitude of tools to help you make informed trading decisions. Now that you're on the chart page, you'll want to look for the change symbol icon. This is typically found near the search bar at the top of your chart. Clicking on this icon will open a search field where you can input various financial instruments, including currencies. It's an intuitive feature that makes switching instruments a breeze. Once you have located it, proceed by typing the currency you're interested in into the search bar. This part is crucial as TradingView offers a broad range of financial instruments. Carefully enter the desired currency's name or ticker symbol. For example, if you're interested in exploring the trends of the euro against the US dollar, you would type EURUSD in the search box. After you've entered the currency pair, TradingView will present a list of options. Scroll through this list to find the exact match you're looking for. Don't worry if you see multiple options. They often vary based on different marketplaces or financial institutions. Select the one that aligns with your trading strategy or preference. Clicking on your desired currency will load its detailed chart on your screen, allowing you to delve into market trends and perform a deeper analysis. Remember, the ability to switch currencies quickly is particularly beneficial for those who trade on multiple exchanges or keep an eye on the global currency markets. TradingView provides an efficient platform for this as it minimizes downtime between switches, letting you make swift trading decisions. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you've learned how to change currency in TradingView. Continue exploring and experimenting with different tools and settings within TradingView to enhance your trading experience further. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more TradingView tips and tricks. Happy trading!